Welcome. My name is Mark Pons, owner of Chapel Hill Tire, and we are grateful for this opportunity to help you take care of your vehicle. From the moment you arrive, you will be greeted by a member of our team who is here to listen, answer questions, and help you understand exactly what your car needs. We believe car care should feel convenient, straightforward, and transparent, not stressful. At Chapel Hill Tire, we are more than a repair shop. We are a team of highly trained, ASE certified technicians and service advisors who take pride in doing things the right way. Whether you are here for routine maintenance or more complex repair, we have the experience, tools, and expertise to keep your vehicle safe and reliable. We have been a family-owned business for over 70 years. This means we treat our customers with honesty, respect, and care, and we stand behind our work. Our goal is simple: help you make confident decisions about your vehicle and get you back on the road with peace of mind. Whether this is your first visit or you've been trusting us for years, we appreciate you choosing Chapel Hill Tire. We look forward to taking great care of you and helping you drive happy.